Hello, my name is Daniel Lawson and I'm a customer experience team lead at Copperleaf, and I'll be presenting along with Carmen Benoit, manager, asset management, strategy and planning at Enbridge at the IAM North American Conference 2021 on the topic of capital planning, transformation, and culture. The oil and gas industry is facing unprecedented levels of complexity and volatility. Enbridge set a strategic goal to make asset management the cornerstone of its enterprise transformation and implemented value-based decision-making across all business units. Join us to learn about the Enbridge journey and how we transformed decision-making processes across all business units and implemented industry best practices in capital planning, driving maximum value against strategic goals, how we challenged thinking around capital classification to drive higher value decisions, and how we realized a mindset shift during planning to make the best decisions possible for the business as a whole. Please join me and Carmen at the IAM North American Conference 2021 by registering on the IAM website. We hope to see you there. Thank you.